YouTube is quietly testing a feature that could completely change how we publish content, and only a few creators have access right now. MrBeast, Lex Fridman, Markiplier, these are some of the early testers of YouTube's new multi-language audio feature.
I'm going to give him $500 million.
This feature allows creators to add dubbing tracks directly to their original videos. No re-uploads, no duplicate channels, just one video that speaks multiple languages. And it's not just translated subtitles, it clones your voice, keeps your tone, rhythm, even imperfections, just in another language.
$100 per month, including everything, including accommodation.
$800 أمريكيا في الشهر يشمل كل شيء بما في ذلك الإقامة.
This is next level localization, and the best part is YouTube plans to expand it to more creators soon. Let's talk about it. Let's dive deep. Most creators still publish as if it's 2015. One video, one language, one region. But here's the reality. Over 66% of YouTube's watch time comes from outside English-speaking countries. Yes, early tests with multi-language audio have shown strong engagement from non-English speaking audiences without creators needing to upload separate videos. And this matters even more for tutorial creators. People come to YouTube to learn, whether it's how to code, how to use a tool, or how to build a project. Clear, spoken explanations matter. But if your content is only in English, you're automatically shutting out most of the planet. Now, here's the catch. Most of the creators currently testing this are using tools like ElevenLabs. It's powerful, yes, but expensive. Dubbing one tutorial in 10 languages with a cloned voice can cost hundreds of dollars. That's where Fish Audio comes in. With just 30 seconds of recorded voice, you can clone your tone and start dubbing your content into over a dozen languages affordably and fast. I've tested the voice cloning feature and it worked extremely well. My voice sounded incredibly accurate, capturing my tone, pacing, and even the subtle quirks that make it sound human. I've tried a bunch of tools before, but Fish Audio is in a league of its own. It feels highly premium, not just in terms of sound quality, but also in how smooth the process is.
Today, I sat by the lake during lunch break watching ripples dance across the water.
With options like voice cloning, text-to-speech, and speech-to-text, you are in the good hands of technology, now able to multiply the unique elements of your voice and share it with the world. To clone your voice or convert it between text and speech, just head over to the Fish Audio website. The interface is clean, minimalist, and intuitive. If you are a programmer and want deeper control, Fish Audio also offers an API with full access to all the core features. Fish Audio is a cool product. Give it a shot and see for yourself. You can find the link below if you want to give it a try. Zooming out. Dubbing isn't about replacing your content, it's about extending it. Adding multi-language dubbing helps with global discovery, international SEO, and platform recommendations. Tutorials become more accessible and more shareable across borders. Even large educational channels like TED and Kurzgesagt are doubling down on dubbed content, and now, for the first time, smaller creators can access the same tech. And here's a personal insight. On my own channel, Shark Numbers, a huge portion of my total views come from non-English speaking countries. Yes, most of these views rely on audio subtitles, which are good, but far from perfect. Now imagine what happens when I start delivering the same tutorials in Spanish, Hindi, Portuguese in my own cloned voice with full clarity. That's not just a small upgrade, that's a complete shift in how I connect with my audience. So if you're a tutorial creator or an educator on YouTube, this is the moment to start thinking globally, to start thinking big. Begin experimenting with dubbing now while most creators are still stuck publishing in one language. That's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.